Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's nice to see all of the media people that I know. Thank you, Maui, for inviting me, and Leo for the emails that I sent. Anyway, I am so happy that I'm here with Carlos. And always supporting Carlos, and of course Chloe. She's my assistant now. Every time I want something, I go through Chloe to get to Carlos, because she's very, very efficient. Anyway, and she's gonna help me a lot in the Paris Olympics. And I know you're all wondering, and I thank Arena Plus very much for inviting Carlos and Humir. Where is Humir, by the way? Marshall. In Las Vegas? Okay. So he's training there. We are also leaving for the training camp in Paris. We have 1 month training camp in Paris prepared by the Philippine Olympic Committee. As you know, I'm a treasurer of the Philippine Olympic Committee, and it's a lot of money, but he's going to be trained there faithfully for 1 whole month until he goes to the active village. And hopefully, and I know and pray that Carlos will win medals for the Philippines.
Yeah!
Carlos, you have to keep my promise to them, huh? Okay, and thank you very much for inviting me, and thank you all of you media people and Arena Plus, Maui, Rio, thank you very, very much. And thank you.
Thank you, Miss Cynthia. All right, since we have your full